gotta stick with this, right? That's too cool. That's too cool. Right click the hi-hat and fill each 2 steps. What the fuck? This is sick. Okay. We're getting there. I made the bass hit twice as many times. Put a little cut, like a foreskin. Okay. That goes crazy. Oh, that sounds sick as fuck. That sounds so good. Okay. Okay. This is getting good. I'm gonna play the song one more time.